Just this morning, Southwest launched a new Companion Pass promotion where you can earn Companion Pass for the first 2 months of 2023. If you don't already know, Southwest Companion Pass is like the coolest airline status that lets you essentially fly with Companion for free. Well, almost free. The Companion still has to pay the taxes and fees, which is like usually $5.60 each way. So you purchase your ticket and your Companion flies for just the taxes and fees. It's one of the most valuable airline statuses out there, and typically you need to earn 125,000 Southwest points a year or fly 100 Southwest segments a year in order to earn Companion Pass. Well, Southwest is offering this for a promotional period where you can have Southwest Companion Pass from January 4th to March 4th of 2023, but you do have to meet some requirements. And so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you can earn Southwest Companion Pass. So let's not waste any time because you have very little time to meet some of these requirements, and let's get into it. In order to earn your Southwest promotional Companion Pass from January 4th to March 4th, the first key thing is that you have to register for the promotion. I'll drop a link down in the description to register for the promotion, but you have to register for the promotion first. After you register, you have from now until September 8th at 11:59 p.m. Central Time to book 2 one-way tickets or 1 round-trip ticket. And you heard that right. You have essentially 2.5 days from now until September 8th, 11:59 Central Time to book 2 one-way tickets or 1 round-trip ticket. And the second requirement is that you must travel by the end of the day on November 17th. You must complete those travels with those tickets by the end of the day on November 17th. That's how you'll qualify for your Southwest Promotional Companion Pass from January 4th to March 4th. So those are the main requirements, but there's also some terms and conditions we should go over as well. So I'm gonna pull up the terms and conditions, and I already highlighted some sentences that I feel like are important when it comes to qualifying for this promotion. The first one I highlighted mentions that your ticket has to be a qualifying ticket that is purchased with love voucher, travel funds, gift cards, or just paid outright. No portion of your ticket can be paid with Rapid Reward points. And so that means flights booked with points or Southwest Rapid Reward points will not qualify for the Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. The next section I highlighted down here essentially says that new bookings only and old bookings do not count. And so after you register, any new bookings within the qualified time frame will count towards the Southwest Companion Pass promotion. Any previous booking or anything like that do not count towards earning Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. The next thing I have highlighted down here is changes made to any itinerary after purchase of a one-way or round-trip revenue flight may eliminate qualification for this promotion. And so this is also important, is that when you book between now and September 8th, that flight that you book, if you make any changes to that flight, it might disqualify you for the Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. So when you're booking your flight, make sure it's a flight that you're actually going to take, because if you have to make any changes, it might disqualify you for potentially earning Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. And the last thing I have highlighted down here pretty much says that you may change your designated companion up to 3 times while you have Promotional Companion Pass. If you make any changes to your companion within that Promotional Companion Pass period, they count towards that maximum allotment of 3 changes a year. So those are all the terms that I think are important when it comes to qualifying for the Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. I made a quick checklist down below that's downloadable, and I'll also provide the Southwest registration link as well. If you like Miles and Points content like this and travel content in general, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.